Alrighty, she's free. Got it pulled out from that little hole over there. Come back here, check everything out. Let the engine up so it won't scrape her. The wind is high out here. Get it some elevation. Plug in. When I get back over to my original spot, I'm gonna put my life vest back up there. But yeah, she's gonna get a good old cleaning on Monday by Miss Sarah that works here. So, arrivederci. And look, I'm not even sweaty. Ooh, well, a little bit, but that's all good. Once again, thank you all for your prayers. I wish I can go out this weekend, but the aftermath of the storm is still going to be too much. But Monday, still got a week worth of training to go. Y'all see how that vehicle had to go around that big old boat sticking out there? Y'all see it? That boat sticking way out there. But all right, appreciate the prayers and the love and the support. Keep on supporting Captain Eric and Mop Bucket. We appreciate you. All righty, peace.